The first 7 days of raising broiler chickens are very important, and most farmers at this time don't know what to feed, how to feed, or even how warm the brooder should be. This leads to death of their chicks due to feeding long feeds and bad temperatures inside the brooder. So, if you have the idea of starting broiler farming or already started, make sure you watch this until the end. What you have to do in the first week so that every chick survives and grows strong. Let's get into it. Number 1. Percentage of protein. Before you buy the chick starter feeds, check the percentage of protein first. The feed should be with 22 to 24% of protein. In the first week, this is the time when chick start building its bones and organs. If the bones fail to grow now, the meat will not grow later. This means we will end up with small, light birds that sell cheap in the market. So it is very important to check your feed bag before you buy the feeds. And if it is below 22% of protein, just leave it. Number 2. How to feed. Now, because you have bought the right feed, it's important to know how to feed the chicks. On day 1, don't use deep feeders. Use shallow trays or egg carton lids. This is because day-old chicks have small beaks. They can't reach deep into the feeder. Spread the feed in front of all the chicks and make sure every chick eats within the first 2 hours. And remember that before you put any chick in the brooder, heat it first. When chicks get cold, do not eat. Maintain your brooder temperature between 32 and 35 degrees Celsius. Number 3 is water. Always give water before feed. Water helps the chicks to digest the feeds. In the first 3 days, add glucose or multivitamins to the water. Glucose gives the chicks energy to start eating and fighting disease. This is because your chicks just have arrived and are stressed and tired. Use lukewarm water. Cold water slows down digestion and kills chicks' appetite. Use 1 drinker for every 50 chicks. That's all what you need. Warm brooder, high protein feed, shallow trays, and glucose in the water. Just these 4 steps and your broiler investment will be safe. The next video will be about the grower fees, where most farmers waste their feed money without even realizing it. Subscribe and turn on the notification bells to be notified when this video is uploaded. See you in the next video.